Coding is a fast-expanding field that has grown in popularity in our digitally driven world. It provides excellent career opportunities and the ability to solve real-world problems. As a result, more and more people are pursuing careers as a developer. If you want to learn to code but aren't sure where to start, this video will help you. Let's get started. Number 1. Learn what coding is. To learn how to code, you must first understand what coding is. You can start making a plan after understanding the basics of the topic and what you want to accomplish. Number 2. Choose the right programming language for you. If you are not yet a programmer, deciding which programming language to learn can be difficult. But once you understand what coding is and why you want to code, you will be able to make the correct decision about which one to learn. Number 3. Take online courses. There are several paid and free online coding courses available to help you develop your skills and your career from the ground up. These courses can help you quickly and efficiently learn the skills you need. Number 4. Get a mentor. Mentors can help you through tough times. When you're stuck or discouraged, it's good to know that you have someone within reach. You can join meetups, coding communities, or online groups to find a mentor or someone to ally with you throughout the process. Number 5. Choose the right resources to learn. There are many learning opportunities available, and selecting the best ones can be difficult. By deciding the parameters and keywords relevant to your subject, you can find the right and credible sources for you. It is also essential to read reviews and recommendations before deciding on a resource. Number 6. Watch videos about coding. Watching video tutorials on common video sharing sites, websites, and course channels is a perfect way to get started learning to code. Just select the language you want to learn and get started. Number 7. Check out some coding games to level up your coding skills. Coding games help you learn faster with interactive learning processes and experiences. Plus, it's a fun way to test your coding skills. Number 8. Join an online community. There are a lot of developer communities where you can meet other developers. When you join the right one, you can connect to people who have similar interests as you do. The more problems you solve, your coding skills get better, and the more you help other fellow members of the given dev communities, you'll reinforce your knowledge and improve your soft skills. These are some of the key benefits of being an active member of such online communities. Number 9. Practice with personal projects. Building projects are an excellent way to practice. The more experience you can have in problem solving with coding, the quicker your skills can improve, and you will feel more confident. Start with a small project and gradually develop it. Number 10. Set small goals and be patient. Setting small goals will help you grow in strength and confidence. You should set them more often, improve on them, and see yourself improving all the time. Don't hesitate to congratulate yourself on your little wins. It will provide you with the strength to continue. Number 11. Staying motivated. Learning new skills and gaining experience is difficult on its own, and coding can be more difficult because you always need to be focused and motivated. So reminding yourself why you started learning to code is a great way to keep going. Number 12. Never stop learning. Programming is a never-ending learning experience. There's always something else to learn. To avoid being obsolete and being left behind, you must actively learn new skills and develop yourself. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.